back up, please. I need you to back up.
exalted. Every hill and mountain shall be made low, the rough places will be made plain, and the crooked places will be made straight, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. This is our hope. This is the faith that I go back to the south with. With this faith, we will be able to hew out of the mountain of despair a stone of hope. With this faith, we will be able to transform the jangling discords of our nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood. With this faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. Be able to sing with new meaning, my country tears of thee. Sweet land of liberty of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrims pride. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. And if America is to be a great nation, this must become true. And so let freedom ring. From the prodigious hilltops of New Hampshire, let freedom ring. From the mighty mountains of New York, let freedom ring. From the holy mountains.
It's a story about self-reliant, self-determined people. It's about people who are agitating for the vote. It's about people who are trying to care for one another and trying to make sure that everybody had a place where families and community could grow. So it's a really, really rich story. I hope that maybe you'll take the time to take a walk in the park during the daytime and walk towards the west side and up by the reservoir again, roughly between 83rd and 81st Streets, between 7th and 8th Avenue. The Central Park Conservancy has putting a temporary exhibition kiosk so you can get a sense of all the people who used to live here. You can get an idea of the documents that were used to do the historical research. Also, in 2011, we actually had an excavation. There was an archaeological excavation on the ground, and we uncovered an amazing array of ceramics and glass and shoe and